It is my honor and my privilege to go across to the family that represents the face of this courage. Remember, it was Commanding Officer Colonel Santosh Babu who led his men into battle with the Chinese in Galwan, keeping up the best traditions of the Indian Army. He was a CO who led from the front. He is dearly beloved to the country, not just to his family, but it is his family who has to live with the loss day to day. His two small children, his mother and father, and his wife. Joining us now on this program are his wife, Santoshi, and his father, Mr. B. Upinder. Thank you, sir and ma'am. And first of all, my salutes, my condolences. It is an honor and privilege to be able to talk about your husband and your son to both of you. I'll start with you, Santoshi. Santoshi, can you talk about the last conversation with your husband? What did he say to you? And you've got two small children, I think they're 9 and 4. What have you explained to them? And as they grow older, how would you like them to remember their father?
Yeah, he in last conversation just only giving me just just take care of kids, take care of yourself, be strong. So that's it. And
So how are you keeping strong? Because even looking at you right now, you are the image of courage. You are the Veer Nari of the Indian military community, and you in 10 years of marriage, I think you and your husband were together what 5 years. So you know
yeah,
what it's like to have been a soldier's wife.
yeah. Uh, every day I'm remembering whatever he used to telling me कि how to be in फौजी wife कैसे होना है क्या करना है कैसे रहना है
हाँ.
if husband is with you or not the same way now I will go forward.
और आप कैसे हिम्मत रख रही हैं? कैसे हिम्मत अपनी हिम्मत कैसे बनाई हुई है संतोषी आप?
अभी भी मुझे यही लगता है कि husband is telling whatever I'm going to do that because of his guidance but he is not here. I feel he's there surrounding my then only I'm going ahead. That the same
And
thing I with my kids also.
what do you tell? How have you explained to your children the heroism of your father? आपके बच्चे तो छोटे हैं अभी, आपने उनको कैसे समझाया?
I have not said anything, but my daughters understand what happened exactly, and I'm giving the courage what Papa is shown to the nation, and how he handled the situations at the time.
Santoshi, I'll give you the last word. I see a notepad and a pen in your hand, and we saw those images of your being a brave soldier's wife at the funeral. Is there any last thoughts you'd want to say to the people of this country, ma'am?
Yes, exactly. Actually, when I was married, he was a captain in 2009. Over the 10 years, he became an CO. In that between time period, how he was studied and how he is going to these various of courses, operations, and how much he is showing that concentration for job, commitments, importance to the job. He loves job actually first of all ना कि family से ज़्यादा he loves job. That is my first and last. Now he's shown how much he loved the job, and he used to telling me every day, job is my first priority. And he is used to telling me whenever we both are conversing चलता है हमारा दोनों का, you are my second wife. You know, I shocked first day when he spoke like that. I really know क्यों ऐसे बात कर रहे हो कि I thought I have an other side. So he told me, no, job is my first wife and you are my second wife. Now, what I'm feeling is shown how much he loved the first wife. Sorry.
It doesn't mean he didn't love you, ma'am. It doesn't
No,
mean he didn't
that
love you. It just
he
means
loves job.
he gave up his love for you for a bigger cause.
Yes, but how much he loves the nation, and he have one ambition कि have to do something, but not normal officers जैसे normal duty जाके वापस आना है, normal job लिया है तो ऐसे करना है, not type of kind is nature. At the same time my father ने जो कहा था कि सबको helping करने में, activities में भी, cooperating में भी, guidance में भी, every way is आगे जाके सबको हेल्प करता रहता है हमेशा. That have seen and how much he loves that nation and job.
And all of you. His love will stay with you for the rest of your life.
Yes.
God bless both of you. You inspire an entire country. Your husband inspired an entire country. But actually, आप लोग का courage उतना ही इंस्पिरेशनल है. आपकी बैटल उतनी ही मुश्किल है. आपको जीना है. वो तो चले गए. आपको जीना है. तो आपकी बैटल एक तरह से उनसे भी ज्यादा या उन्हीं के जैसे कठिन है. उपिंदर जी, संतोषी, God bless you. God bless your children. Thank you so much. An honor and a privilege, Doctor.
My daughter once again.
Oh,
Yeah.
so can we speak to her?
Hello.
Hi. Hi.
I'm Abhignya.
Hi. What's your name?
My name is Abhignya.
Abhignya, tell me, what do you want to be when you grow up? What's your dream?
Scientist.
Scientist. What kind of scientist? Like doctor or some other kind of scientist?
Space.
Space scientist. You want to go to space? You want to go
Yes.
you want to go up there into space?
Yes, auntie.
Brave girl. Brave girl, daughter of brave parents. Thank you. It's great to see you here. Thank you for watching our work. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to click the bell icon and subscribe to Mojo Story and support independent, robust journalism.